Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel The Tech Viper. So today in this video we will see how to incorporate spotlight effect in text using Figma. And thank you everyone for showing so much of love and support and loving my contents. I hope you guys keep supporting me in such manner and I will come up with great contents. So without wasting time, let's see how to create this. So now you can see we are inside the Figma project now. So first of all we will drop a frame by pressing A on our keyboard and we will select desktop. That's perfect. Now let's change the color of the desktop to black. By selecting the frame, we will go over here and we will change it to black. Perfect. Now we want to write something like Tech Viper and we need to show the spotlight effect on it. So how we can do it? First of all, let's press T on our keyboard and let's write something like Tech Viper. Perfect. Now let's change this color. We need to add something linear. As I want to add something linear, you can add something of whatever you want, but it should be a dark color. I want to add something like, I clicked over here and I went to linear over here. Now I will select something bluish, dark bluish. Perfect. Same I will go over here. Go over here and again I will select something such, and that's it. We got something like this. Let's duplicate it by pressing Command+D and you can see we duplicated it. Now let's mask the duplicate layer. Let's go over here and select use as mask. Perfect. Now let's select everything and put it inside a group by pressing Command+G. Now what we will do, let's press F on our keyboard and just drop a small frame of 40 by 40 or something. You can hold shift, something like this. Perfect. And let's give it a layer blur by going over here and select layer blur and let's make it to something 70. You can go up to 100. It's the way you want. Now let's duplicate it by holding Option and make it opacity to 0. Let's make its opacity to 0 by pressing 0 on your keyboard 2 times, or you can go over here and change its opacity like here or here, whatever you can do. Let's select both, click over here and select create component set. Perfect. Now let's click on this one, go to prototype, select and connect with it, change on click to while hovering, and the rest settings remains the same. Let's go to design again. Let's select this one and pressing Option, let's duplicate it again. Let's duplicate it one more time. Now let's select both and put it inside a frame. Now select one and keep on duplicating it by pressing Command-D as I am using Mac. It should match the width and height of this text. So make it as much as it should cover this text. I hope it will work. Now let's duplicate this one again. Let's bring it downward. Let's select both and again put it inside an auto frame layout and let's make its gap to 0. Perfect. Now select this one and keep on duplicating it. That's it. Now let's take this inside the frame and center it. Now let's copy this one and we will put it over here. Where we put it, you can see it's inside the marks group. We double clicked it and it's inside the marks group we put it. Now if I click on prototype, See, it's working so great. Wherever our mouse cursor is, that part is getting highlighted, right? So I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe and share with your friends who are in need and who are new to developing like UI UX designing and all. Till then, take care. I will see you in the next video. And don't forget to keep supporting me. It makes me create much more content for you guys. See you in the next video.